Hi, another sound demo for band Saturator Pro, this time on drums. Let's hear the drum loop without any saturation first. And now let's apply the Pro saturation style Summertime and hear the positive effect on the snare and the higher percussion. All the drum sounds seem to come together better. Let's demo that side by side so you can hear it more clearly. I've turned the frequency knob up a little bit to avoid saturating the kick too much, but if you want to add saturation down there, you can adjust the frequency knob like this. That's it. The Pro version is on sale for a limited time. More sound demos coming in the near future.